In this video we will show you how to transfer Undet project coordinate system. From experience you might already know that 3D and 2D modeling in large coordinate system might be frustrating. Majority of softwares have some issues while processing large coordinates. Some functions might not work properly while others might not work at all. I will show fast and easy way to transfer them. You can see that our project has large coordinates, and as I mentioned before it might cause some issues while modeling. Because of that we implanted such an option in Undet Palette Project tab. In this tab you will find all information about your project. In this case we are interested in shifting coordinates, so let's click on Coordinate System and expand that option. Here we can see three options: Original, which stands for original coordinate system in which project was created. Then you can see Optimized for 3D modeling, which will shift your point cloud to 0 coordinates, and Add Modify, in which you can specify your own parameters according to which your project will be shifted. If you select Add Modify option, you will be able to specify coordinates and scale factory or rotation angle for new coordinate system. So to change coordinate system, simply select Optimized for 3D modeling instead of Original. After this selection you will be asked if you want to translate view sections. In this case I have one view section created, so I will select Yes. So now you can see that our coordinates was changed. Now you can start modeling without any concerns. Also in Project tab you can see that our coordinate system is changed, so it just confirms that fact. At the same tab you can see Offset values, which shows how much each value was changed. Now I will draw some approximate outlines of building to imitate modeling. After you finish modeling in shifted coordinates, you might need to change them back to original ones. But now you will need to transfer not only the Undet project but drawn objects as well. To do this we have Drawing Objects Transformation option, which can be opened by clicking button right next to Coordinate System in Project tab. In a pop-out window you will have to select from which into which coordinate system you want to transfer drawn objects. You also have option to include all named user coordinate systems. Last option that you will have to choose is what objects you want to transfer. You can transfer all, none, or selected manually in drawing. In this case, I draw an outline of 3 buildings and I will manually select 2 of them, and transfer them to original coordinate system. As you can see my selected objects are moved back to original coordinate system. Now I will also transfer Undet project back to original coordinates and check if my drawn objects are in the same place as they were before. Objects are in the same place, coordinates are shifted back, and Project tab information confirms that we are back to original coordinates. If you have any questions about Undet project coordinates shifting or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.